Hello everyone, welcome to episode 2 of a POV tour through Dedemsvaart, my hometown. If you haven't watched the first episode, make sure you do. In episode 1, I added a full explanation in the description as well as more info in the introduction of that video. So if you don't know about any of this, check episode 1 out first, because we continue the tour where we ended last episode. So let's dive in. We ended last episode here on the little dam in the canal. We crossed the main road here, called the Hoofdvaart, which literally means the main canal. I wonder whether the canal along this road had any importance. Anyway, we continue following this other canal on a nice little walking path. Not much will happen in the coming minute or so no, let's have a talk. Just a little talk. I have a question for you all, just out of the ordinary. What is your favorite country on earth? Of course, besides the one you live in. Can be any country. Just tell me in the comments. I'm very curious. And also the reasoning. Like, mine is Norway, because I love the culture, the language, the history, the landscape, all of it. I've been there once for about a week, and I loved it. Jeg elsker Norge. That's the Norwegian I know. I know some more, but I'm trying to learn. But let's listen to my footsteps for several more seconds to then teleport to near the end of the canal walk. Hey, a bridge is getting close, carrying another main road, called the Lange Weg, named after, yeah, you guessed it already, another former canal. The path doesn't follow the canal anymore past the road, so we'll turn right before the road, and we'll follow the road instead. And look, another entrance sign of Dedemsvaart, even though we've been in the town the whole time. The sign was meant for the road after all. There's quite a lot of green here, like a random little field with 3 trees to the right. A bit further the road will split into 2 and the green section will move to the middle of the road, giving it a very open field. But you'll see that in a minute. Here on the left, the road has been split up, with grass and trees in the middle, while we curve over very little field. But to be honest, path going in a straight line is quite boring, so for the better. The path is not for quick transport after all. It's for walking your dog or just a lovely walk to relieve the stress of the week. I like it. Approaching a junction with another main road, which we have to cross. Good thing there's a zebra crossing here, even though the road is not that busy. What you just heard on the background was an electric bus passing by. These are quite common here. We are now going over a road crossing only for pedestrians and bicycles. Mostly because the road in front of us connects to a middle school, and students plus Netherlands equals bicycles. Teleporting a bit further, we reach a roundabout, one of the 3 in Dedemsvaart. Going left would take you out of town to the provincial road N377, but also to the historical area, including some lime kilns. Going right would take you to the town center, where all the shops are located. But we don't go either out or deep in the town. We go straight forward to continue going around the town. Left of us is also a little park with a skate park right behind it. Not much further, the St. Vitus Church shows itself. It's, in my opinion, the fanciest church in town. We got 5 churches in total in town, by the way. It is a Catholic church built in the early 19th century. And here is an old farming tool displayed. Why, you may ask? Well, it's right in front of the Agricultural Museum of Dedemsvaart. In the same building is also a small local brewery, Avereest Brewery. The former municipality Dedemsvaart was part of was called Avereest, which is named after a water stream north of the town called the Reest. We will cross the road here as we are nearing the end of part 2. We are about halfway to 2 right now, and I hope that you'll enjoy it so far. Being halfway also means there are 2 more episodes to come. With that being said, I'm going to end at the entrance of the park, which we will do in part 3. So, see you in the next one.